Hi guys, today I'm going to show you three types of brake pads and I'll share my experience with them. What's the difference between these three types of brake pads? The first brake pad that I want to show you is a regular brake pad. It's made from Pagit. It's nothing special. The compound is a regular type. It stops good when it's cold, but when it's hot it's not so good. But this pad is pretty good. Low cost brake pad. The second type of brake pads that I want to show you is EBC Green Stuff brake pads. What's the difference between Green Stuff and the regular type of brake pads? Okay, let's unbox this thing. Quite a good packing. And brake pads. EBC caliper loop. It's enough for a whole set of brake pads. Installation instructions and some other stuff inside here. Yeah, very good instructions with core photos. Interesting, yeah. And here we are, the main difference. This thing here is installed for lowering the noise. It looks pretty good. This is the acoustic sensor. Brake pads are worn. These things start making noise. Yeah, the noise is really strange. You think that something is wrong with the car. What's the difference between Green Stuff brake pads and a regular brake pad? First look, it's the color. For me it's not an important thing. They come with pre-installed acoustic sensors. When your brake pads are worn, these things start making really strange noises. But the major difference is this thing. It's a special type of coating. It's named braking coating. This thing resurfaces the brake disc. It eliminates all small scars done by the previous pads, like this. You can see some of the marks on the friction surface. The other major difference is the compound. This thing makes a very small amount of dust compared to any other brake pads. The first time that I tried Green Stuff brake pads, I was amazed that these brake pads are really low on dust. When they are cold, their stopping capabilities are like OEM brake pads. They stop pretty well, but when they are hot, the stopping capabilities are slightly better than the stock brake pads. In terms of wearing, they have pretty good life. You can compare them to the stock unit. They're really good and make really good job. Maybe you're wondering what is this thing. I know that it eliminates some noise from the brake pads and it's good to be left on the brake pad.